Welcome to 1 Minute Meditations. Today we will journey to a healing garden, a serene space where nature nurtures and restores. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Imagine yourself stepping into a beautiful garden. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of healing plants and vibrant flowers. You feel the soft earth beneath your feet. As you explore, notice how the colors around you are vivid and soothing. Each flower and leaf radiates healing energy. Picture a warm light enveloping you, washing away any tension or pain. Allow this light to fill your heart, bringing peace and comfort. Take a moment to simply be here in this garden of tranquility. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes when you feel ready. Remember, you carry this healing energy with you. You are calm. Thank you for joining me.